This yoga classes is about asanas to cure the obesity. Before asanas, warming up will start. First, neck rotation. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Opposite direction. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Up and down. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Stretching arms at finger press. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Next, arms rotation. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Opposite direction. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Next, stretching. Very good. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Tongue rotation slowly. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Opposite direction. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Up. Forward bending. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Next stretching. Alternate to touch. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Slowly. Half squat. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Just slowly. Now yoga class will start.
Obesity is excessive accumulation of fat in the body. Obesity leads to diseases like heart attack, diabetes, hypertension, and respiratory problems. Asanas like Hastasana, Trikonasana, Pavanmuktasana, Ardhamachendrasana, Vajrasana help to cure diseases related to obesity. Starting with Hastasana, procedure to this asana. Stand with arms on your side. Inhale and gently raise your arms upward till they are stretched over your body. Your arms should be parallel to each other with palms facing each other. Practicing Hastasana helps to tone and stretch the arms, shoulder, upper and lower back. It helps to improve digestion. It helps to increase the capacity of the lungs. Exhale and bring the arms down by the side of your body. Relax. Second asana, Trikonasana. Procedure to this asana. Stand straight and keep your feet apart about 3 feet. Turn your right foot outward by 90 degrees and left foot by 15 degrees. Raise your arms sideward by up to shoulder level. Place the head upward. Trikonasana or triangle pose is a standing asana. This asana outwardly creates 3 triangles. Benefits of this asana. It helps to strengthen the neck, arms, legs and spine. It helps to improve digestion and provide relief from acidity and gastric trouble. It brings relief from stress, anxiety, back pain. It helps to increase the flexibility of the spine. Release the posture slowly and relax. Third asana, Pavan Muktasana. Procedure to this asana. Lay on your back and keep legs straight and relaxed. Pavan Muktasana is a forward bend laying asana. The term Pavan Muktasana has derived from 2 Sanskrit words, Pavan meaning wind and Mukta meaning free. These together mean wind liberating force. Bend your knees to bring it close to your chest. Bring the head to your knees. Benefits of doing this asana are: it helps to strengthen the arms, legs and abdominal muscles. It relieves constipation, acidity and indigestion. It helps to reduce diabetes and high blood pressure. Release the posture and relax. Fourth asana, Ardha Matsyendrasana. It is a sitting asana. Procedure to this asana. First sit on the floor. Place the right leg to the left knee. Turn your head to the right side. Benefits of this asana. It helps to improve the flexibility of the neck, leg and spine. It helps to improve the digestive system. It brings relief from back pain, diabetes, gallbladder and kidney stones. It helps in reducing the fat, hip and thigh. Release the posture. Relax. Last and final asana, Vajrasana. Procedure to this asana. Kneel down with your knees, ankles and toes touching the floor. Keep your spine and head erect. Your head should face forward. Place your palms on your knees. Vajrasana is a meditative asana. It is also called diamond pose. It forms a base to many other asanas. Benefits of these asanas: it helps in digestion, it improves concentration power, it brings relief from constipation and gastric problems, it strengthens legs, spine, and pelvic muscles, it helps to reduce fat in hips, it cures mental stress, it cures back pain problems, release the posture, and relax. Thank
Thank
you.